Tonight at Chez Karl, we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes with fish. This is a dish that works really well with any kind of firm white fish, particularly grouper, striped bass, cobia, and tonight we're going to be doing it with mahi mahi. The name of the dish is Mahi Triple P, and the Triple P stands for panko, parmesan, pecan, and that refers to the end coating. We've got all of our ingredients for the final breading: the panko breadcrumbs, the ground pecans, and the shredded Parmesan cheese all get mixed together in one bowl. The fish we're using tonight are thick mahi mahi or dolphin fillets. As you can see, they're up to an inch thick or more. So the first thing that happens is the fillets go into a bowl which has either seasoned flour or, in this case, chicken breader. Then they get dipped into the beaten egg and milk, allow the excess to run off, and then we put them into our final breading, which is the cheese, nuts, and Japanese breadcrumbs. Because the fillets are thick, we're actually going to do a two-step cooking process. We'll start by putting them in a pot of oil, so you need to heat a large amount of oil to 350, 375 degrees. And then we're going to finish them in a 350 degree oven, so you need to heat an oven and have an oven-safe pan. This is a cast iron blackening pan, which will be just perfect. It retains heat very well. Our oil temperature right now is a little bit over 375 degrees. When we put the fish in, that temperature is going to drop down into the ideal range. These fish are only going to stay in this oil for a minute at the most. The reason we're doing that is to melt the cheese on the outside, start the fish browning on the outside, and create an envelope around the fish that will preserve the moisture while the fish is baking in the oven. Once you have all of your fish out of the oil and in the oven, it needs to stay in there for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees.